November, November 2022, 25. City Mayor SRP.
Yeah. There you daddy.
Ano ka? Init lagi ka? What do you want?
It's been 19 like another what at Cebu, that's been 19.
And then what?
And a perform at Cebu.
Yeah, well,
How much is the Aurora?
The SB19?
Yeah.
The highest is 5,000 so that you can get closer to them. The one, there's another one 3,000. Then 1,000.
I can reach that.
Which one?
My goal is to give them like stickers and they give me like money like.
What will you do? What you gonna save money? Oh, we will sell munchkin. You will sell banana candy in school so that you can buy the ticket.
You will do what? We'll have a ticket. I have a goal because God is with me. He made a plan to give me money.
So my husband said na ako daw bahala which one ang mapaliton. So we go for 1,000 because that's just what we can afford. We are for 2 kids and the 2 of us. So that's for now. As much as I want to be on the front, that's for more than I'm afford for now. So I'm gonna buy. We've been waiting for kanang SB19 to come here in Cebu. Parang maka-experience. It's gonna be a bonding for us. Another fun. So, I feel guilty. Worship luxury, something, but so, tipid-tipid na pa. Okay. I'm gonna watch SB19. You excited? Huh? What's your favorite?
Pablo.
Why? That's right. Licha, you like Licha? Okay.
Wait. Aeroplane?
Huh?
Aeroplane?
No, only here, in SM or near SM Seaside. SB19 will come to Cebu.
Cebu where?
Here in Cebu, in near SM Seaside.
Down a bridge.
Yeah, some heartache to know that there are no kids allowed.
No kids allowed?
Yeah, and then.
I'm playing playground.
And then.
I'm coming with you.
And then.
Wait,
I saw some. Wait, and then some. So I just saw the comments of people about Aurora Music Festival around 2023, and I already bought tickets now for November 22 here in Cebu. They said that until now we're refund because the event did not push through, but hopefully it will. But definitely my husband approved, but he gave me the responsibility of how much or which place we're gonna be in that event. Now it's gonna serve as his birthday gift to me and to our kids, but again, kids are not allowed, so I'm gonna give it to another friend of ours na 18 sad, and sakto lang, but hopefully it will push through. But definitely I ask already God's forgiveness of being impulsive, because other 18s would say na they will wait until the official kanang announcement of SB, at hopefully it will push through. But again, I've learned my lesson. Not to be impulsive. But again, then again, I was concerned na ma-sold out because of course always ma-sold out dayon ang SB. I've experienced that sa Saw concert. Anyway, hopefully it will push through, but if not, then charge to experience na lang. So let it go na lang. And yeah, I ask forgiveness na sa Ginoo, Lord. Naging impulsive ko. I'm sorry for kanabitang the money that the Lord has kanang given us, or kanang gi-take charge niya, no, even though that it's money from my husband's job kay siya man jud nagtrabaho, yet that comes from the Lord, no. So we should be a good steward with money, no. Dili lang ta mapa-enslave sa atong mga impulsiveness, sa atong kuan. We have to think it over again. Though spending that money is not really gonna like we won't eat in a kuan, but it's something that no matter how small or big it is, we should be responsible and we should be very wise in spending, no. So anyway, so mawito siya. Hopefully the Aurora Music Festival on November with SB19 and others will push through in Cebu. Then if not, charge to experience na lang. So mawito siya. So yeah, see you there.